10 Amazon laptop and tablet hot deals, most bought in September 2025. Portable gaming monitor. The anti-glare IPS display delivers vibrant visuals with 178 degrees wide viewing angles, reducing eye strain during extended gaming sessions. Its minimalist aesthetic elevates any setup, while the included premium protective sleeve shields against scratches, perfect for gamers and professionals on the go. Fitting effortlessly into backpacks or briefcases. Tablet, 10-inch Android 14. Expandable storage, dual cameras, dual speakers, and USB-C port. Supports OTG functionality for connecting external devices. Make it versatile for work, study, or entertainment. The 64GB internal storage provides ample space for apps and media, while TF card support expands storage up to 1 TB. IMC, perfect for storing movies, games, and documents. Upgraded Android tablet. The Jeazans 2-in-1 Android tablet kit is your ultimate all-in-one solution, bundling a Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, protective case, and stylus. Effortlessly transform it from a sleek tablet into a portable notebook, switching to work mode anytime, anywhere. Whether you're tackling office tasks, studying indoors, or seeking entertainment on the go, its lightweight design ensures easy portability. Android tablet with Octa. URAO tablet equipped with a high-resolution 1280 x 800 instructions per second display, which shows a brightly colored widescreen for a more realistic viewing experience with sharper and brighter images. The front 5MP and rear 8MP cameras can easily satisfy video calls, online learning, etc. The tablet LCD designed with low blue light technology, the screen flicker and the damage to the eyes caused by irritating blue light will be reduced. Tablets with keyboard. The 11 ultra-large and ultra-thin gaming tablet enhance your experience, providing a more immersive journey while watching videos, playing games, or browsing the internet. Built with a powerful octa-core processor, 16GB memory, and newest Android 15, this high-performance tablet is perfect for a variety of uses, from gaming and entertainment to remote work and education that can meet all your needs. Portable monitor. Whether you're exploring vast virtual worlds or engaging in intense battles, this monitor is perfectly suited for gaming, providing smooth gameplay and responsive visuals that elevate your gaming sessions to new heights. Enjoy ultimate flexibility with the built-in stand, allowing seamless switching between landscape and portrait modes, along with adjustable viewing angles tailored to your preference, whether for business presentations, gaming, or multimedia consumption. Portable gaming monitor. ARZOPA Z1FC 16.1 portable monitor has 144 Hz ultra-high refresh rate for higher motion clarity and smoother gaming visuals. The 144 Hz high refresh rate brings lower input latency and higher videos, work, and game screen quality. The portable gaming monitor comes with a built-in stand that allows for easy adjustment of the tilt angle to accommodate different usage needs. Lightweight and easier to carry. Portable monitor. Get more screen real estate with the 16:10 aspect ratio. Read more text, have more working area, and view more cells vertically while working on spreadsheets or coding. Connect our portable monitor to your PC, gaming consoles, MacBooks, Android devices, Apple devices, or tablets using the USB-C or HDMI inputs. Tablet with keyboard. Enables fast file downloads and plenty of storage space, so you no longer worry about storing photos. GMS certification supports browsing and downloading all apps on, providing a convenient and fast experience. 2 built-in speakers range from clear highs to deep bass. The tablet comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. You can connect your headphones and enjoy a feast for your ears. Laptop screen extender portable monitor. The portable monitor is the perfect triple screen monitor for laptop, allowing you to open multiple windows simultaneously without switching back and forth continuously on a single laptop screen, improving your efficiency by up to 300%. With this monitor extender for laptop, you can easily build your own working station anywhere. Very suitable for conference presentations and multitasking. Perfect for gamers, programmers, finance and investment professionals, designers, and anyone who needs more efficient workflows.